Day 10 of the Husky Puppies. This is Mr. Zeppelin. We named him after Led Zeppelin. And over here, that's Joplin, after Janis Joplin. These are little rock stars. And this one all sprawled out here. That's Annie Lennox, Miss Lennox. She's a real cutie too. Oh, and then this big guy here, that's Mr. Vetter, Eddie Vetter. And then this one right here, this is Stevie Nicks. Stevie Nicks is really cute too. See, she's a little cutie pie. And then over there, that's Mr. Zeppelin over there, chilling out. All very good at 10 days old. Mommy's out for a walk.